Hey, it's Brianna with WTI, and if you are looking for a great omega-3 supplement, then look no further than this Now brand Ultra Omega-3. This is a great option for an omega-3 supplement because it has 180 pills. So since you only take 1 to 2 a day, that's either going to last you for 90 days or 3 months, or it could last you for 180 days, which would be 6 months. So it is a great inversion. I love the cardiovascular and brain benefits that I get with this omega-3, and that the source for this omega-3 is small fish, sardines, and anchovies. And for me, there is no fishy aftertaste. I have definitely noticed a difference in my skin. I struggle with a lot of hormonal issues, and I think that this has really helped balance out the oil in my skin and has also helped with some signs of aging. This bottle comes with a flip top, which makes it really easy to get your dose out. From my own research, I have seen that Now as a company is very strict with their formulations, so I feel even better taking this omega-3, and I highly recommend it for anyone who's looking to take some extra fish oil. And that's my point of view.